Hey guys, so today we're going to be going over variables. Well, what are variables? You can think of variables as storage devices that we can put our data into, which we can later use to access that data. You can also think of variables as a box that you can put your stuff into to store it and that you can later pull stuff out of whenever you need it. So how would we work with variables? Well, first we would need to initialize that variable, and we would do this by giving our variable a name. You can think of this as like a label for your boxes. Then we want to assign stuff to that variable, right? We would do that with an equal sign, and then what will we assign? We can assign any data type to that variable, but for now, we're going to assign an integer or whole number. So let's initialize this variable. First, we would then give it a name, right? We would name this variable number. This name would be something to describe this variable, what it's storing. We're storing a number, so we're going to call it number. Then we want to assign it. We will use the equal sign to assign an item to this variable name. So let's assign number 10 to it, right? It's a whole number with no decimal, so it's an integer. And ta-da, you've initialized your first variable. So now that we've initialized our first variable, let's say we want to change it. Well, in Python, we can change our variable to be any value, even if it's not the same data type. We would do this by just re-referencing the variable name and reassigning it. So in our case, we would just call number, and then we will reassign it, right? So another equal sign, and set it to a new value, which is a number 5. Like that. And ta-da, you've changed the number variable to a number 5 now, instead of number 10. Okay, that's it for today. Bye.